YouTube, Firm Off 51 here. I know I ain't got my hat on, you can see all my hair. But got a interesting item coming in the mail. And sit you here on the #1 platform carrier that we restored here. My 300, I was missing a emblem. It actually, the back end broke off of it, and a good friend at Jeff Foreman up at That Emblem Guy. If you need any metal emblems restored or reconditioned, fixed, repaired, or new emblems, be sure to call That Emblem Guy at Jeff Foreman. I'm not getting paid or anything. I don't do that kind of thing. What you see, if I buy something, it's because I bought it because I like that person or like the company. And the cool thing is, it's got some tape on it, but it was wrapped up. In this bag. Well, I couldn't see the IH and all that. It was on this side here. All this side here was showing. And I thought, it was like an old, I think this is the later style. Yeah, that's the later style IH on there. Parts bag. And I opened it up, and sure enough, it was an original IH parts bag, which I thought was pretty cool. But let's see here. There, I got my emblem. Now, I'm pretty sure that's probably brand new. I'm not sure if that's been reconditioned or not. But you can get in contact with him there. There's his number. You can get in contact with him. Like he say, he buys, sells, repairs, custom work. He's actually done some custom emblems for people. There's some of the work that he's done. Some of the items he sells as well. I bought some 140 decals from him before. Had some repair for the 300 utility over there. Yeah, I called Jeff's my guy for when I need an emblem, which I've needed a couple here. But like I said, most of the tractors I got are decal tractors. But Jeff's a great guy. I highly recommend him. He has got some signs. Some other items that he's working on in his company here, and but you can see here the Emblem Guy outdoor. He does outdoor signs, and these are like made like the originals, and they're illuminated on the inside. I believe he may have some that are not as well, but you can see there some just regular IH, some with the tractor symbol. They can do like the truck, tractor, and road tractor as well. But you can see there what he does. I may have to save up. Might get me one of these here one day, put out next to the shop, or may put it in the house. I don't know. Not sure my wife would like that too well, but I do like this one here. I've been thinking about getting one of these, and you can have them where they mount up next to the building, on the front of the building or so. Like I say, there's some of the information on that. Let's see. There's some of the other signs that he's done, or he does. I really like this one here. I thought about getting this one. There's a Case IH for the early Case IH logo. And there's some other signs as well, Steiger signs. But yeah, there's his information and all, and get up with him. Follow him on Facebook at That Emblem Guy. Like I say, he's does a great job, and I highly recommend him. There it is, my brand new 300. And these pins on the back were notorious for breaking off, or and in my case, one had been soldered, resoldered, and it broke off. And there's really not an easy way to do it yourself. He has a way that he can do it and pop them back on, or like I say, he can recondition. If you're have got a tractor that's sentimental value and you would like to keep the emblems, or you have a decent set that just needs to be refreshed, he can clean these up, repolish them, straighten them back out. I think he has a jig or something he lays them on, and he can get all that straightened out. Repaints some of the early 140 oval decals. He can repaint the oval, put the correct color in it, and all that for you. And like I say, it really sets your restoration off when you've got a decent set of emblems. If you got the metal emblems on there, yeah, he got me my 300 emblems that they were missing. This 300 is the Farmall 300 emblem, and the ones that go on the utility are different. As you can see, I did not know this. I bought a set at Red Power one year and got home and realized that they were not they were completely different. But you can see the size in the how much difference there is in those. Those were fine, and I got some torque amplifier decals from, or emblems from them as well. So, but yeah, make sure, you know, I did not know that the International and the Farmall ones are different. And what I'm gonna do right quick, I'm gonna go ahead and we'll put them on, let you see that, see how that goes. Here's the newest edition, the equipment shed. You'll see a little bit on that one later. Picked up some fenders for my dump truck, and you can see here, got these emblems here. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. Like I said, I do apologize for the lighting. Oh, ain't that looking good now? Like a brand new tractor almost. But anyway, I got them on there. I used the little keepers, like a little keeper that goes, or a little piece that goes around the post there. You push those in the sheet metal already, then you slide the emblem in there, and that'll hold it. But then they've got these little flat keepers. Here's one of the old ones, little flat keeper, but it's a little keeper like that just slides on the back and holds it in, and that assures it that it's not going anywhere. So like I say, if you're looking for any metal emblems for your Farmall or International Harvester tractor, be sure to check out That Emblem Guy. Jeff Foreman, like I say, a good friend of mine. I will see him out in Rand Tool here in a few weeks. Won't be too far off. And like I say, you can reach him right here, and I'll put that on the screen there for you. Be sure to check him out, and tell him Farmall 51 sent you. And he's got a special board, emblem board, that he's put together. I'm gonna see if I can do a little bit of a video, highlight that a little bit while we're out there at Rand Tool. Now some people say, well, Matt, what are you putting brand new emblems on an old tractor like that for? I sleep better at night knowing that my stuff has all the correct decals, everything on it. I like my stuff to look like it's supposed to look. I don't like to halfway rig something or whatever. If you don't have the money, that's fine, but sure looks nice when you show up at a show and you've got all the correct emblems, correct paint, and things like that on there. And that's why I always say, go with the best stuff and do it right the first time. You'll spend way less money. It might cost you more in the initial run, but like I say, it'll be a lot cheaper. And that's why I say, you know, if you want decent emblems, want stuff to look right, straight emblems, correctly colored, styled emblems, make sure you go to That Emblem Guy. So, bonus feature here: if you're not subscribed to the Red Power magazine, might want to go get a subscription for the July-August issue. Might want to go ahead and get you one. There might be something in there you want to see. So, but anyway, and I'll put a link in the description down here for the Red Power magazine. Not going to give anything away yet, but you'll see. All right, thanks for watching.